Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe below. Keep watching.
Chapter 1. Understanding ASMR. What is ASMR? Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, ASMR, is a fascinating sensory phenomenon characterized by a pleasurable tingling sensation that typically begins on the scalp and moves down the back of the neck and spine. This phenomenon is often accompanied by feelings of relaxation and calmness. ASMR experiences are triggered by various auditory, visual, tactile, and olfactory stimuli, which can induce a state of deep relaxation and euphoria in some individuals. The origins of ASMR can be traced back to the early 2000s, when individuals began sharing their experiences of tingling sensations triggered by specific sounds or visual stimuli on internet forums and social media platforms. The science behind ASMR is still in its infancy, but researchers have started to unravel some of the mechanisms underlying this intriguing phenomenon. ASMR triggers can extract a physiological response known as frisson, which is characterized by the release of endorphins and dopamine, resulting in feelings of relaxation and pleasure. Despite the growing body of research on ASMR, there are still many unanswered questions about why certain individuals experience ASMR, while others do not. Sensory triggers. Sensory triggers can vary widely from person to person, and what may induce tingles in one person may have little to no effect on another. Auditory triggers. Auditory stimuli are among the most common triggers for ASMR. Gentle whispering, soft-spoken words, tapping, scratching, and repetitive noises, like the rhythmic swishing of fabric or the clicking of keyboard keys, are all forms of auditory triggers. Visual triggers. Visual stimuli can also evoke ASMR responses in some individuals. Visual triggers include slow, deliberate movements of hands or objects, close-up shots of intricate patterns or textures, and scenes depicting activities like hairbrushing or massage. Tactile triggers. Tactile triggers involve physical sensations or movements that can induce ASMR responses. These may include light touches, gentle massages, hairbrushing, and the feeling of soft fabrics or textures against the skin. Olfactory triggers. These triggers may include the aroma of essential oils, perfumes, candles, or natural surroundings like the scent of rain or fresh flowers. It's important to note that the effectiveness of ASMR triggers can vary widely from person to person. Chapter 2. Creating the perfect ASMR video. Setting the stage. Choosing the right environment for recording is essential. Select a quiet, comfortable space, free from external disturbances. Choose a room with minimal echo and background noise to ensure optimal audio quality. Consider using soundproofing materials or recording during quieter times to minimize distractions. Pay attention to lighting to enhance the visual quality of your ASMR video. Soft, diffused lighting can create a calming atmosphere and highlight visual triggers effectively. Chapter 3. Equipment Essentials. Microphones. The microphone is the cornerstone of any ASMR recording setup. Popular microphone options for ASMR include cardioid condenser microphones for close-up recording and binaural microphones for immersive 3D audio experiences. Experiment with microphone positioning to capture the best sound quality and spatial audio effects. Cameras and visual quality. Visual quality plays a crucial role in creating an engaging ASMR experience. Consider investing in a high-definition, HD, or 4K camera to capture crisp visuals with rich detail. Pay attention to framing, angles, and composition to create visually appealing shots that complement your ASMR content. Additional tools may include pop filters to reduce plosive sounds, tripods for stable camera positioning, and binaural recording devices for capturing immersive 3D audio. Chapter 4. Crafting engaging content. Decide whether you want to script your content or improvise during recording. Scripted videos offer precision and control over pacing and content, while improvised videos are more spontaneous and authentic. Consider your target audience and their preferences when choosing triggers for your ASMR videos. Pay attention to viewer feedback and engagement metrics to identify which triggers resonate most with your audience. Aim to provide a diverse range of triggers to accommodate different preferences and enhance viewer satisfaction. Mix up trigger types, tempos, and intensities to maintain interest among your viewers. Pay attention to the flow of your content and use natural breaks or transitions to guide viewers through the experience seamlessly. When filming ASMR videos, prioritize gentle movements and soft, soothing speech. Avoid sudden or jarring movements that may disrupt the relaxation experience. Speak in a calm, measured tone to create a tranquil atmosphere. Utilize techniques such as tapping, brushing, crinkling, and whispering to evoke tingles and relaxation responses in your audience. By implementing these techniques, you can elevate your ASMR videos to new heights, captivating viewers with immersive sensory experiences that induce relaxation and tingles. Chapter 5: Editing and Production. After recording your ASMR content, the post-production phase is where you refine and enhance the audiovisual elements to create a polished and immersive experience for your viewers. Choose a professional video editing software that offers a wide range of features suited to ASMR content creation. Popular options include Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and Cyberlink Power Director 365. Experiment with soft focus effects, color grading, and overlays such as gentle smoke effects or light leaks to create a full ASMR environment. Note: be mindful not to overwhelm the viewer with excessive visual stimulation. Maintain a balance that complements the audio experience. Ensure the volume levels are consistent and appropriate for each trigger. Time the trigger sequences, allowing sufficient time for viewers to fully experience each trigger before transitioning to the next. Take advantage of viewer feedback to improve your future ASMR videos. Chapter 6: Uploading your ASMR video. When it comes to sharing your ASMR content with the world, strategic uploading and engagement are key to reaching and connecting with your audience effectively. Choosing the right platform for your ASMR videos. YouTube remains a popular choice for sharing ASMR videos due to its wide reach and monetization options. There are also ASMR-specific platforms like ASMR.fm and Tingles that cater to ASMR enthusiasts. Maximize the discoverability of your ASMR videos by optimizing titles, descriptions, and tags with powerful keywords and phrases. Chapter 7: Building your community. Engaging with your audience is crucial for building a loyal and supportive community. Actively engage with your audience by responding to comments, questions, and feedback. Collaborating with fellow ASMR creators is a great way to expand your reach and connect with new audiences. Always experiment with new triggers, formats, and styles. Conclusion: congratulations on completing the ultimate guide to ASMR. You now have a solid understanding of ASMR, its triggers, and how to create captivating ASMR videos. Remember, ASMR is a deeply personal experience, so don't hesitate to experiment with your content. Thank you.
Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button and keep your eye out for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.